The Rope Swing, a series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brishta. It's by Oxford Reading Tree. The children went to the stream. They looked at the swing. Wilf climbed on the swing. Chip pushed Wilf. Floppy looked at the rope. Biff climbed on the swing. Floppy barked and barked. Chip climbed on the swing. Floppy barked and barked and barked. Oh no, the rope might break. Kipper went on the swing. What a silly dog, said Kipper. Oh my God. Wilma went on too. What a silly dog, said Wilma. The children went home. Floppy looked at the rope. Splash! Oh no! Now it breaks. Thank you for watching the video. If you are my returning subscriber, thanks a lot guys. And if you're here for the first time, do hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos from my side. Also, do remember to comment in the comment section on any video you want me to make next time. Till then, take care. Bye.